I had my first gout attack about 10 years ago. At the beginning, I was having attacks every 6 months. Then gradually, I was getting them every 3 months, then every month, and eventually every week. It started at my big toe, and then it was moving sometimes in my knees, and generally all around my joints in my feet, and the pain was agonizing. I have tried all the cures you can imagine. I tried ACV, lemons, drinking a lot of water, but to no avail. I tried water fasting, juice fasting, baking soda, again without success. I almost gave up meat, limiting it to only once a week. Gave up alcohol completely, again no success. I was living on vegetables, loads and loads of fresh fruit, milk, cheese, beans, and so on. My eating habits could not be healthier, or so I thought. But my gout was worsening. Then I decided to increase the amount of fruit I was consuming, thinking that if some fruit is healthy, more fruit will be more healthy. Some days I was eating fruit only, others over 10 portions a day. And alas, my gout, instead of improving, it became chronic. I was desperate, I did not know what to do. And then one day, accidentally, I read an article about fructose, which is contained in fruit in large quantities. It said that it increases uric acid in a matter of minutes. Fructose is also present in table sugar and in high fructose corn syrup, which is used in soft drinks. I put two and two together and realized what I was doing wrong. I stopped eating fruit and all other sugars for a period of 3 weeks, and by magic I saw a dramatic improvement. Pain was gone, swelling was gone, I was fine. I reintroduced fruit again in my diet by reducing them to one or two a day, and my gout completely disappeared. I do eat more meat now and occasionally have an alcoholic drink, and thank God everything seems to be fine. Fructose was my enemy.